Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu or Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu stated, during the journey to the battle of Tabuk, the people were afflicted with severe hunger. So the companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, could we, if you accord permission, slaughter the water camels and consume them and make oil from the fat? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam accorded the permission. In the meanwhile, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu came and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you do so, the mounts will decrease. However, you may send for the remains of the people's journey victuals and invoke blessing over them. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is hoped to shower blessing on them. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, that's right. He then called for a leather meal's mat and it was spread out. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam called for the leftover provisions. So one was coming carrying millet on his palm, another dates and another crumbs, and all these things together collected in a small quantity. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked blessing, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, fill your receptacles with food. So all the people filled their receptacles until all the receptacles of the troops filled. All ate the food together and got satiated, but the food still remained. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam observing it said, I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and that I am Allah's Apostle, and whoso meets Allah Jalla Jalaluhu believing in this article of faith and without having any doubt in them will enter paradise. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 138.